Want to create and sell stickers looking like these and make hundreds of dollars daily, but you don't have the artistic skill to draw them by hand? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how can you create amazing stickers that you can sell online and have an extra passive income resource without needing any skill or experience. You can sell these stickers from your home by purchasing a printer and fulfilling them yourself, or you can use a print-on-demand service and make them print them for you. If you want to learn how you can do it step by step, then watch the full video as I have amazing tips and tricks for you to start your six-figure stickers business today using very simple and quick tools. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button to help me grow. Hey hustlers, and welcome back to another video. Today I will teach you how can you make very beautiful and professional stickers to sell online. First, let me show you the potential of selling stickers. Let's review this shop. As you can see, they sell really simple stickers and they have more than 84,000 sales, and they sell every single sticker for $3.5, which means they made $300,000 in revenue selling these simple and easy to make stickers. And here is another one. As you can see, they mostly sell text stickers and still make loads of money, selling one sticker for $7 and with more than 205,000 sales, leaving them with more than 1.4 million in revenue. Amazing, isn't it? However, I want to emphasize that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey that requires effort and dedication to grow your shop and audience. I'm here to help you embark on this journey, but your success ultimately depends on the time and effort you invest. Now let's dive into the process. We'll start by choosing a sticker idea, followed by creating the stickers, preparing them for upload, placing them on mockups, and finally uploading them to a print-on-demand company for shipping to your customers. So let's start with the first step. I will use ChatGPT AI bot to generate ideas for my stickers, so I will ask it to research the most selling stickers on the internet. Based on the suggestions, I'll choose an idea that resonates with me the most. In this case, I'm combining cute animals and gaming niches to create unique stickers. Now I'll ask ChatGPT to provide detailed descriptions for sticker ideas featuring cute animals and gaming. With the descriptions in hand, I'll head over to Midjourney AI bot. I'll copy the description provided by ChatGPT and paste it into Midjourney, adding a few prompts that I'll leave below this video. Feel free to use and customize them according to your sticker designs. Now I'll roll out the sticker prompts until I find the results I want. Once I spot a design I like, I'll either create more variations of it or upscale the image to upscale the sticker that I like. As you can see, I was able to choose a few stickers that I like, and now I will show you how can you edit it and clean it out. We will go to a site called Photopea. It is a site that looks exactly like Photoshop, and the best thing is that it is free. I will open the sticker files and I will choose a tool called Magic Wand. Then I will set the tolerance at 90 and make sure to tick and contagious option so it doesn't select the same color from our sticker. We want to only remove the outer color. I will click once and make sure all the outer space is selected, then I will press delete. Voila! We have a clean sticker ready to be used right away. Now I will repeat the same steps with other stickers too. Now let's learn how to put our sticker on a mock-up to ready it for selling. I like to use a really great site called Fabrica, which has an amazing number of mock-ups for many products. I will leave a link below that will guarantee you an amazing price, which is as low as $9 per month or $30 per year. And the best part is that you can use up to 10 images for free, so you can use this opportunity and sign up using the link below and getting the 10 free images, which gives you a chance to download some amazing mockups for our stickers. I will choose this makeup and download it. I will extract it, then I will open the PSD file on Photopea site. Now we need to use the sticker on the mockup, so now I will open my sticker file, then I will select it using the selection tool and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on my keyboard. Then I will go to the mockup and click double clicks on here. It will open another window, so I will paste the sticker there by pressing Ctrl+V on my keyboard. Then I will save it by pressing Ctrl+S on my keyboard. Now, let's head back to the mockup, and as you can see, our sticker is applied on the mockup and it looks amazing and professional, and is ready to be uploaded to your shop. And as you can see, you can also change the color of the background to your liking, so play around with it till you get the result you want. And now, to our final step. How can we order the sticker to be printed when a customer purchases a sticker from our shop? We will go to a site called Printful. You can order many print-on-demand products on this site, and it is totally customizable. And they ship your products with your shop name and information, so it can be your professional producer for your stickers, like a private label company. Exactly. Now we will choose the sticker size we want, and we can see how much the printing costs here. Then I will press Customize. They have a pretty amazing editor. You can play around with your stickers, and you can even add funny quotes to it or change its size. Now, you need to see how your sticker will look like. You can always refer to the Mockup View tab to see how it will look in real life. And you can also save these images and use it as a part of your product mockup. When everything is ready, you can press Add to Cart, then complete the checkout process filling in the address of your customer for shipping. Printful can ship to any country around the world, which is amazing and will save you a lot of effort trying to ship your stickers. And there you got it, hustler. Everything you need to know to start your sticker shop online and start making money today. If you want to see more videos like these filled with tips and tricks on how to make money online and build your wealth, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to never miss any of my videos. See you later, hustlers, and keep building your wealth.